everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm back with another beautiful set. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with the color Be The One by Madam Glam, and it's a really pretty nudish pinkish color, and of course it is a gel polish. So we're going to go ahead and apply that on all of the nails, and we're going to do the same thing on the other hand, and as always we're going to be curing each coat for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in and do a second coat, but I'm not gonna do a second coat on all of them. As you can see, just with a first coat, they look pretty good, so it's not necessary for me to do a second coat, but I always do one. But on the pinky, the index finger, and the thumb, I'm not gonna be doing a second coat. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the IBD gel top coat because I am gonna be applying the chrome powder on those, and I don't want it to be two coats of color, a top coat and then another top coat, because that's just like way too much, and I don't want the gel polish to take away from the shape, and I also just don't want the nail to be super thick with just nail polish. So again, I did a second coat on the ring finger and the middle finger, and then I only did one coat of color on the other three fingers, and I'm going back and doing the top coat only because I am doing the chrome powder, and as you guys know, you have to apply the chrome powder over a non-cleansed top coat, which is my IBD gel top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other hand. Again, only doing the second coat of color on the ring finger and the middle finger, and then the other ones will be the IBD gel top coat. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with the Born Pretty Chrome. As you can see, it has a hint of pink in it, which is really pretty, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that on those 3 fingers that I applied a top coat on. Also want to mention that whenever you're doing chrome, you want to make sure that you only cure your top coat for 60 seconds, or at least that's what works for me. Anything over 60 seconds, the top coat will not stick, so make sure that you keep that in mind. But it is going to be kind of a trial and error if this is your first time doing chrome, because it depends on what top coat you're using. Your top coat might require it to be cured for more time or less time, also depending on what light you're using. So once I applied the chrome, I went ahead and applied a top coat over that, and then I'm going to come back and do the white on them. So you're gonna see here in a minute, but I should have just did the chrome and then been really careful whenever I go back and apply the white outline, just because that's definitely way too much. Again, I did a coat of color, and then I did the top coat, and then I did the chrome, and then I did another top coat, and then I'm gonna do the white outline, and then I'm gonna come back and do another top coat. So you will see that it's gonna take away from my shape just because it was way too much and I didn't think about it at the time until now. But again, once that top coat was dry, I went ahead and did the outline on the nails with the chrome, and I'm just outlining like the very tip. And you could do this before a top coat, but the only thing about it is, you know, you can't really go back and clean up your lines if you mess up, because it will be taking away some of that chrome. So if you do it, you can be really careful. I know just yesterday I posted the other video that was really similar to this one, and I didn't apply a top coat before the white outline, but I don't know what I was thinking. I think this was my first time doing, or not necessarily my first time, but I did this video before I did the one yesterday, and I should have did it how I did it yesterday. But again, it's kind of a trial and error. I did this one first, then the other one, so I knew that second time not to do so many coats, even though there's not an issue with it. But you know, some people are really picky about it, but they still turned out really cute. So again, we're just outlining the tip, and then we're gonna go ahead and let this cure for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so once we finish outlining the tips, I'm going to go in and apply some bling on the 2 fingers that are just the solid color. As always, I'm using my Mia Secret Gel Resin, my wax pencil, some bigger pieces, my SS6 and my SS12 bling. And I'm also going to be using a few of my gold ones that I recently got. They're kind of like a yellowish goldish color. They're really pretty though. So again, I'm using my Mia Secret Gel Resin, which is the one that I always use, and it lasts really long, or it helps the bling stay on really long. So I really like it, and as always, I'll be sure to leave all of the products down in the description. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm going back in with the top coat, and as you can see, I did have to go back and reshape those nails with the white tips just a little bit, so you can notice there on the sides where I kind of followed away a little bit of the white. But again, I did a lot of coats, which I shouldn't have. So again, I should have did the base color, and then I should have did the top coat, and then the chrome, and then the white, and then the top coat. But I learned my lesson, so if you check out the video that I posted yesterday, you should be able to see, you know, how I changed up my technique, and now it's a little bit better, or a lot better, so it wasn't as thick. Even though again, these nails did not look bad at all, like you would never even know, but it bothered me a little bit now that I'm doing this voiceover and I'm thinking about it. But again, I'm just doing my top coat over all of the nails, and after this we're just gonna go ahead and cure them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. As you can see, they turned out really pretty. That chrome is just so cute, and everything kind of just went together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.